B1 is the brightest category and B6 was classified, there were 6 brightness classes in which all the visual stars from the Earth were classified, numbered as B1, B2, B3 up till B6, out of which B1 was the brightest class and B6 was the faintest class. Okay. Someone wanted to ask something, I guess, in middle. Okay, fine. और ऐसा था, and just you just tell me one thing. The scale is uniformly calibrated. We have seen this thing. हर एक scale की जो range थी, it was uniformly calibrated. So just tell me one thing. If I take suppose B1 upon B2, let us say if I take B1 upon B2 and if I take B2 upon B3, अगर मैंने ये ratio लिया, if I take B3 upon B4 ratio, if I take range of B4 upon B5 ratio, or if I take B5 upon B6 ratio, will this all ratio be equal to a constant number x? ये होगा if the scale is uniformly distributed?
Yes, sir.
Correct. It will be a constant number. Okay. Because why? The reason is every of this scale is uniformly spaced. It's uniformly spaced. Okay. So this thing in that scale was a mathematical interpretation. This was classification. The first point was classification. It is classified into 6 scales. And secondly, what you can comment is this particular ratio of scales of the neighboring scales. If you take this particular ratio, this remains constant. Why? Because this scale is uniformly calibrated. Coming to the next point, the extreme ratio. Coming to the next point, the extreme ratio. Now, what do you think extreme ratio? Now, this is a term which is given by Miha. You won't be finding this thing in textbooks. Okay. ये मैंने ऐसा नाम दिया. Extreme ratio. मुझे क्या लगता है? It's the most bright upon the least bright. It's basically this ratio is called something different, but I call it as extreme ratio. So what you need to take is take the brightness of the most bright class and divide it to the brightness of the least bright class. और अगर आप ये division करते हो ना, they find in their experimental data, when you do this division comes out to be 100. This division comes out to be 100. This thing was experimentally verified by Pogson. So what 3 things he did? Every single star that I just want to conclude, every single star that you can see from Earth is basically divided into 6 subclasses based on its Based on its brightness. Only 6 possible classes are there. All these classes are uniformly calibrated, is what was conferred from the second point. And when this scale is uniformly calibrated, you can safely write it in the mathematical form as B1 by B2 is equal to B2 by B3. So on, this ratio is nothing but a constant, which is x. It can be any number. Okay. And soon we are going to find it. And the extreme ratio, which is supposedly called as an extreme ratio, which is nothing but the ratio of the most bright to the least bright, that is B1 by B6. This is nothing but 100, which says that the most bright star is 100 times bright than that of the least brighter one. Okay. So let us say if luminosity is like, just like brightness is 1. So the highest brightest star which is possible is 100 times brighter than that of the least bright. Okay. This for the 3 classification. Now let us start the mathematical analysis. So this B1 by B6 was a number which was known to us, which is 100, which was experimentally found. Can I write this B1 by B6 as B1 by B2 multiplied by B2 by B3 multiplied by B3 by B4 multiplied by B4 by B5 multiplied by B5 by B6? Can I write this thing? Can I write B1 by B6 like B1 by B2? Yes. Why? Because all the circle terms will cancel. And after all, बचेगा क्या? B1 by B6. And all the circle terms will be cancelled. Okay. So can I write B1 by B6 in this particular manner? Yes, I can write. Why? Because the circle quantities get cancelled. And just tell me, this B1 by B2, B2 by B3, ये सब ratio की value क्या थी? It was that constant x.
Yes.
Do you agree this thing? Yes. Let me put this thing into this equation. So you will get 5 times multiplication of x, right? 5 times multiplication of x. So B1 by B6 can be written as x to the power of 5. Do you all agree with this mathematical analysis?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And we also know that B1 by B6 is a number which was experimentally determined to be 100. So B1 by B6, which can be written as 100, which can also be written as x to the power 5. Similarly, if you want to find that this ratio x, this constant ratio x, it is x to the power 5 is equal to 100. Take 5th root of 100 and you will get this x as 2.512. So this thing, this x, which you could see over here, was nothing but a number which valued for 2.512. Is this particular slide number 1 clear?